Do you have a lengthy annual report and need to extract specific data without reading through pages of information? In this tutorial, I'll show you how easy it is to extract only the data you need using extract.ai. So let's get started. Once you are in the Extract.ai app, click on Create a Template. You can upload a document and Extract.ai will recommend a template for you, create a custom template, or scroll down to the Finance tab where you will find a variety of pre-made templates. I will use this one for annual reports. You can customize this template based on your needs by adding or removing fields. Once you are happy with the result, click the Create button. Use a unique email address for forwarding customer emails or annual reports to Extract.ai app, or simply upload or drag and drop your file here. In the top right corner, you can download your extraction in the desired format. Click the link in the comment to access your free trial.